Mixing a live event is already a balancing act, but when things change, that's when the stress kicks in. Not in a ruin your day kind of stress, more like I'd feel a lot better if I could throw this mic at the drummer kind of stress. But wait, put that mic down. In this video, I'll show you a quick trick on the Behringer X32 and the Midas M32 that can make last minute changes way less stressful. Welcome to Audio Nerd. Over the years, I've had plenty of moments where everything's going great. The sound check went smooth, the levels are locked in, then someone on stage throws a curveball.
Hey, I'm switching from keyboards to guitar on the song. We didn't rehearse at all.
I mean, that's not really the end of the world, but it's definitely frustrating. Learning how to quickly copy and paste settings from one channel to another has saved me time and time again. Instead of scrambling, I simply just do this copy and paste trick and focus on dialing in the mix before the show starts. Copying and pasting a channel, or even just settings like EQ or compression, comes in handy more often than you would think. Take a church service, for example. Every week, things can change. Let's say you decide to move the acoustic guitar from one side of the stage to the other. Because let's be honest, sometimes the bassist's hygiene is a work in progress.
Huh? What?
Instead of manually resetting the EQ, compression, your sends, you can just copy and paste them in seconds. It's also super helpful for setting up a new vocalist or instrument. Just copy and paste the settings from a similar input and you've got a great starting point. So where's this magic copy and paste button? Well, maybe it's not so much magic, but it can definitely be underused. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll see after you've selected a channel and press the utility button. The first section on the left is your scope. These are all the settings that you want to copy to the new channel. First, we have HA config. This is your head amp settings. So your gain, phantom power, your low cut, and your polarity. Secondly, we have name and icon. This copies what you see on the scribble strip. Next, you could choose whether you want to copy the gate settings, the compressor settings, your equalizer settings, and all your settings for your sends and mains. Next to scope, we have the load preset. We will go over this as well as save preset and delete in a future video. Then we have our stars of the show, copy and paste. And without further ado, we will go ahead and go over how to copy and paste now. So here is how to copy and paste your settings. First, you want to select the channel that you want to copy by pressing the select button for that channel. Then, up by your menu buttons, you want to press utility. And then go ahead and start on the left here under scope and choose which settings you want to copy. Then simply press copy. Next, you're going to want to select the channel that you would like to paste to and then press paste. You'll have a confirmation screen pop up and you'll hit the confirm button, or it could be yes on other mixers. That's it. Super simple. And now you know, and knowing is half the battle. So go ahead and try this out the next time you're in a crunch and see if it helps speed up your workflow. If this helped at all, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day.